In Ramayana, after Lord Ram had conquered over Lanka and killed Ravana, Hanumanji entered Ashok Vatika and released Sita Devi. At that moment, Hanumanji offered to Sita that, my dear Sita Devi, it is my great desire to attack and punish each and every demoness and demon who has given you trouble. I want to actually cut each one of their limbs, destroy them, punish them, give them pain. Sita looked at Hanumanji and said, my dear Hanumanji, I expect you to forgive them. And then Sita Devi told the story. She said, in a forest, a lion was chasing a hunter. The hunter climbed up a tree and he jumped onto the branch of a tree. The lion could not climb the tree, so the lion was looking at the hunter from below the tree. The hunter was aghast to see that on the very branch he had taken shelter, there was a bear who was sleeping. The lion thought, it is a great opportunity for me, so he woke up the bear and told the bear, see, there is a hunter. He is our common enemy. Attack him, kill him, push him down. I will take care, and then both of us will benefit. The bear said, no. This hunter has taken shelter of the tree. I have also taken shelter of the tree. It is not my job to push him down. I am not going to do it. The lion immediately thought of another plan. He turned to the hunter and said, oh hunter, looks like this bear is a stupid animal. Just push him down, and if the bear comes down, I can eat him up. The hunter was so selfish. He thought, that's a great idea. So he pushed the bear down. This man was so ungrateful. He did not even consider what he was doing, but the bear was so swift and agile that as he was falling down, he held on to the branches of the tree and climbed back and sat next to the hunter. Now the hunter was trembling because he thought that the bear is going to destroy him. The lion took advantage of the situation and cried out to the bear and said, just see how ungrateful the man is. Kill him, O bear, or push him down. I'll take care of him. And the bear said, no. Ultimately, my heart just wants to forgive. He is performing his particular nature. I am performing as per my nature. And therefore, I just want to forgive him. It is described, Sundari Raghunathasya Surastri Dukha Shantaye Dashananasya Bhavane Dashamasannishevayan. Sita Devi said that I actually prolonged my stay here in Lanka so that Lord Ram comes with the monkey army, so that all of these queens of Ravana who have been captured from different parts of the universe could be released and saved. And therefore, as far as these demons and demonesses who have been guarding this Ashoka Vatika, I have nothing but feelings of compassion for them, because they were simply employed by Ravana and they had no other choice but to be obedient servants under the instructions of the wild and the cruel Ravana. Therefore, Hanumanji, we should simply try to forgive them. The vengeance, the poison, the vitriolic emotions within the heart can only be erased by the nectar of the cooling radiance of forgiveness.